Hi, I'm Ellen Gormley and welcome to my channel. Today we have another exciting unboxing today from Cascade Yarns. They sent me some new yarns for their 2018 lineup of new yarns and colors, and I'm about to open them with you now. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of these unboxings. Oh my goodness, a lot. There's a lot in this package. We'll go through them quickly and then you can vote with your comments down below which ones you'd like me to swatch and take a better, closer look at. The website for Cascade will be down in the description under the photo. Sorry about all the plastic noise. Let's dump this out and see what we have. Lots of solid colors in this collection. So Nifty Cotton is the first item that spills out of the bag for Cascade's 2018 lineup. And they sent me Nifty Cotton, 100% cotton. It's in a hank. It's Cascade Yarns. Everything today is from Cascade Yarns' new collection. It's 100 grams, 185 yards, machine wash cold, but tumble dry. So this is a great yarn for really kind of anything it's softer than something I would use for the kitchen. It's maybe not as soft as something that I would want next to my face, but it would be a great cotton for a little girl's dress, a toddler's outfit, baby booties, baby hat. Baby is what comes to mind when I feel this. It's a very smooth cotton, and it's is it a size 4? It feels like it's kind of a size 4. Like I would use maybe a G or an H, maybe an H hook for this. And that is Nifty Cotton in a lovely purple color. Now this one, I've seen this one before. This is Ultra Pima, Cascade's Ultra Pima, but this one is fine. So I think this one might be smaller than their other ones in the Ultra lineup, the Ultra Pima. I love this one. I really love this cotton. I have used the Ultra Pima before. I'm not sure if I've used it in the fine weight. And I'm not sure that, I think they have had this color in the past. So I don't think it's a new color. I think it's a new weight for them. And it's lovely. This is definitely something I would wear next to my face, or like a wrap or a shawl or a scarf. So definitely this is a nice soft cotton made in Peru. Cascade Ultra Pima Fine, 100% Pima cotton. You'll like this, and they have lots of colors. So let's see what else we have. North Shore, Cascade Yarns North Shore. This is a lovely tangerine color. It's 100% acrylic, which is terrific for all sorts of things that you want to wash and wear and use and wash again. And it will be very durable. It's made in China, machine wash, warm, tumble dry, 220 yards. Well, there's a lot of yards in this little ball. So it's, I'm not sure where I would go with this, probably a scarf or a shawl. What inspires you to make this with this tangerine? I know they have lots of different colors though. North Shore. I'm so excited, I'm probably talking too fast for you. Machine wash cold, tumble dry. I was looking for like a gauge on it, but there's no, okay, so it's just in words and not in an icon. So 220 yards, 22 to 24 stitches on size 10, in a 10 centimeter or 4-inch block using US 5 and 6. So that's more of a needle knitting gauge than a crochet gauge, but definitely for crochet gauge, I might use something little, like an E or an F for this one. And that's the North Shore. Okay, Anchor Bay. I've used this one before. I really like the Anchor Bay. This might be a new color for them. Anchor Bay is 50% cotton, but 50% Superwash Merino wool. So it's super soft like wool, and it's got some durability like the cotton, and because of the cotton it makes it machine wash and tumble dry. It says 262 yards. So this one is very soft. It's a little bit thicker than the North Shore, so it's a tiny bit bigger gauge, the blue one, than the North Shore. So this one is a little bit softer. This one is a little bit more in my aesthetic range. It's a little bit thicker. I don't generally like to crochet in smaller than a G hook. I just prefer bigger yarns. But this one looks like it's going to be terrific for garments and even adult garments and kid garments, but it's cotton and wool. So it's got the comfort of cotton with the warmth of wool. So that's going to be a great choice for you. Keep that one in mind. Let's see what this is. I don't know what this one is. This one might be new altogether. This is Anthem by Cascade Yarns, and it's 100% acrylic. It's a worsted weight by my guess by looking at it. Machine wash, warm, tumble dry, very good. So it's a good, stable, solid workhorse acrylic yarn. So this would be great for blankets. It would be great for housewares. You could also wear it in a shawl or a wrap or a garment where you want a worsted weight yarn. This is a lovely red color. It's number 3. It does not have a color name on it. I'm sure it comes in lots of different other colors though, but a good, stable stash building yarn here. Anthem. Shout out, we have 2 more yarns. Shout out to Tristan S. and Dawn T. for subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. The rest of you, please like and subscribe so that you can see more unboxing and more designer tips and lessons, and your comments. You can make requests below and I'll do what I can for you. Okay, 2 more. So this is Cascade 220 Superwash Merino. So you know Cascade 220 already, 220 yards, and this one is the Superwash Merino 220 yards. So this is a great staple yarn. It's worsted weight. It's a lovely, like, robin's egg blue, kind of peacocky color. I really love the color. And machine wash, 100% superwash means that you can wash it and it's not going to felt on you even though it is wool. So that's really great. I look for superwash a lot when I'm looking at merinos. So this one is 20 stitches for a US size 7 needle. I'm assuming that that would also translate to a crochet hook. So I would probably use an eye actually. So this one is right up the size alley that I like the best. So what would you make with this? 220 yards. I bet you could make a 1-ball project out of this. Okay, last one for the Cascade lineup for 2018. This is incredibly soft. This is Pacific Sport. It doesn't really look like a sport though. It looks kind of worsted, maybe a skinny worsted, but they're calling it a sport. So I guess sport weight, I guess maybe it's a little bit smaller than worsted. Give you kind of a look at that as best I can. Machine wash, warm, tumble dry, low. Cascade Yarns is in the United States, Seattle, Washington. So this is recommending a size 5 to 6 needle, and so I would really probably use an H or an I crochet hook for this one. And this is a lovely color. It's kind of a heather, well, maybe not heathered. It's pretty solid, but it's a brushed lilac color. It does not have a color name on it, but it's color number 141. So check out Cascade Yarns website. I'm sure they have lots of different colors for all of these yarns, but I'd like you to vote. Is there one of these that you especially would like me to try out and swatch, and we can show it in a yarn review on another video? Comment below with which one you want me to swatch out, or which one stuck out to you and inspired you to make something. So please like and subscribe. Thank you, Cascade Yarns, and comment below, and I'll see you on the next yarn unboxing or crochet lesson. Thank you.